Hi guys, if you are facing a poor mobile network connection but have a very good Wi-Fi, then there is a very good way that you can make a perfect phone call. In such situations where you will face difficulty with regular phone calls, you can enable Wi-Fi calling, which will enable phone calls to work fine without call drop issues. Wi-Fi calling is a feature that improves call quality when there is a bad mobile reception. Wi-Fi calling can also be understood by the fact that calls through Wi-Fi are made over VoIP protocol, which stands for Voice over Internet, rather than VoLTE, which is Voice over LTE network. To understand this better, apps such as WhatsApp, Skype and Facebook Messenger also make calls through the VoIP network, which basically Wi-Fi calling, as VoLTE calls require a cellular network that might not be available in some remote areas. To turn on the Wi-Fi calling on your Android device, first of all go to Settings and from there select Wi-Fi and Internet. Here you will see SIM and Network option. From here select your default SIM. Here you will see a Wi-Fi calling option. Just turn on the toggle switch. And on the calling preference menu select Call over Wi-Fi. To enable Wi-Fi calling on an iOS device, first of all go to Settings on your iPhone and click on the Mobile Data section. Here you will see a Wi-Fi calling option if your network supports the same. If the option is there, enable the Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone and Wi-Fi calling will be enabled. You don't have to pay any additional charges for this Wi-Fi calling service. It works exactly like your normal calls made over a cellular network, and the tariff that applies to those calls will be applied to these Wi-Fi calls also. Another advantage of Wi-Fi calling is that on VoLTE, cellular providers used to make calls via your LTE network using data from your monthly allowance. With Wi-Fi calling, that data will be used from your Wi-Fi, which means you don't have to worry about LTE data being spent. So I hope this is helpful for you guys, and see you guys on the next video.